Well, it's getting dark. Roy's not here yet. Don't even know if he's coming. Kinda doubt it. 7 o'clock. Haven't even heard from him. That's okay. I'm having a good time. I thought you guys might like to see how I get the fire going with this. As you can see, tiny little sticks. That was your mistake the other day when you burned your finger, bud. Smaller sticks, tiny little things. Have some bigger stuff ready. Next size, next size. Pick your match. Scrape some magnesium into your tinder. You got some magnesium on there. Turn it around. Now, I don't know why, but carbon steel works better than stainless steel doing this. Don't ask me why. It just does. I hope you can see this. And that, boys and girls, how you make a fire in the woods without a match. Of course, I guess my metal match is a match in a way. Whatever. See you later.